Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com First Look Review Highlights. This short video is a quick overview of the Weber Spirit EP-435 gas grill that briefly points out a few noteworthy features which are detailed in our written review. You can read our thorough written review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. The 2025 Weber Spirit EP-435. Weber says it has the fiercest sear for its size. That's because of the new Weber Boost Burner Sear Zone, which we'll show you in a few minutes. Spirit is Weber's most popular gas grill. Let's have a look. There's a double-walled hood for heat retention. A removable warming rack. This premium model has a temperature sensor with a digital readout on the side shelf instead of the typical hood thermometer. All Spirits are compatible with the Weber Works system that consists of various attachments like night lights that clip on rails. Premium models have cutouts on the right side shelf where you can drop in optional trays and cutting boards. Coated reversible cast iron grates. The flat side gives a solid sear from conductive heat. Here's the Boost Burner Sear Zone on the right side. I'm lifting to show this large section, which can be replaced with Weber's crafted frame that holds pizza stones, woks, and other round drop-in accessories. On the left side shelf, we have another Weber Works clip-on rail and a little side burner too. Spirit has Snapjet flamethrower ignition. Check it out. It's hard to see the burner flame in the bright sun. Each burner has Snapjet Plus carryover ignition, so once one burner is lit, it can ignite the others. This is interesting. To use the boost burner on the right side, you don't crank the knob up past high. You actually turn it down to low, then keep going counterclockwise to boost mode. We reshot this a few weeks later when the sun was going down, so you can see the flames better. Here is a boost burner on high. Now boost it! And these worked as advertised, folks. We did some serious searing. Okay, let's finish up. Come around the back. A large grease tray slides out. The bottom is angled to drain into a grease cup, which is removable from the front. 4 casters, 2 locking. Weber surveys indicate consumers prefer enclosed carts, so all the 2025 Spirits have an enclosed cart. Here's that removable grease cup. Well, there you have it. The Weber Spirit EP-435 gas grill. Be sure to read our complete written review because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.